Hello guys, welcome to TechBuzz. There may be times when you have to format your PC resulting in data loss, or you accidentally delete a file or your file gets corrupted and there is no way to recover it from your PC. But today I'll show you how to recover deleted files, photos, videos or any other type of document from your PC using Tenorshare 4DD IG data recovery app. Tenorshare 4DD IG data recovery app is a really helpful and feature-rich app which can help you to recover deleted files from your PC, external drive, pen drive or SD card which were lost due to accidental deletion, deleted partition, formatting, system crash or virus attack. It's available for both Windows and Mac PC. The link of the app is mentioned in the description below. You can check the details from there. Although this app is not free, but it's worth of every penny as it can recover lost data from corrupted hard disk failure, bad sector or system failure due to power cut. And it supports NTFS, exFAT, FAT16 and FAT32 format for Windows and APFS and HFS Plus format for macOS. It can also help you to create bootable drive for a non-booting PC to access and recover files, and it can also recover data from raw drives which are not accessible in PC. It can recover photos, videos, audio, PDF, office documents, locally created emails and other internet files. Now let's move to the app. The interface is quite simple. At the top you can see the available drives like hard drive, SSD, memory card or other removable drives. Below you have some shortcut locations like desktop, recycle bin or a particular folder. And at last, you have the option to create a bootable drive for recovering data from a crashed PC. So now I'll recover files from my memory card. Before going ahead, you can see there are no files in my memory card. So you have to just select the drive and click recover. The recovering process has started. At the top, it shows the scanning progress and the time remaining. It is showing just 1 to 1.5 minutes, so that's really quick. You can also search for a particular file from here. On the left, there are view options like tree view or file view. In the tree view, you can see the total number of files recovered altogether, or from the file view, you can see each file category along with number of files recovered. When the scanning is in progress, you can see the files which are being recovered, and you can also pause the scanning anytime and recover it at that time. But I'll suggest you to not pause the scanning in between. Let the process get complete, and once it is done, go through the files and recover it. So the process is complete and there are two categories: deleted file which will be available in the same path where they were before getting deleted. And the second is lost location, means the files are recovered but the location path has been changed. To go ahead, click understood. So this app has recovered 15 files in total, and as you can see, it has recovered audio and word file documents in the deleted files category and some images in the lost file category. You can also open the files from here itself before recovering them. But what if some files are still missing or the file which you wanted is not recovered by fast scan? So in order to make the app search further, we will select deep scan. So as you can see, the process has started and it may take some time depending on the size of the data that is being recovered. So it can take 5 minutes or even 1 hour. So just sit back and relax. The process is complete and now the app has recovered 1267 files. The tree view seems difficult, so I'll change it to file view. And as you can see, the app has recovered files which are not there in the memory card. At the top right corner, you have the filter option from which you can filter files according to file status, the size of the file, file tag and file types, which will make the searching process easier. You can also change the view of the app, whether you want a detailed view, large icon or preview style interface. And when you select preview option, you can see the preview of the image file. So you don't need to open it every time. You can have a look and select it. Similar preview options are available for music, videos and other document files, but they will open in the respected apps only. Once you have gone through the files and have found your desired file, you can select the file which you want to recover and just click recover. It will ask the location where you want to save the recovered files. Once you have done that, the recovered folder will open automatically, and here you can see all the files that you had selected for recovering from your deleted data. So this is the most easiest and fastest way to recover deleted or lost data from a hard disk, SD card, SSD or from other removable drives. When we click the home button, it will ask for a confirmation that going back won't save the scan results. Do you want to return to home? I'll click return. So that was all about Tenorshare 4DD IG Windows Data Recovery app. If you want to download it, the link is mentioned in the description below. You can either buy a monthly, yearly or lifetime license as per your need, and you can get 30% off now if you use the coupon code which is being shown on the screen. If you have any doubts regarding the Tenorshare 4DD IG Windows Data Recovery app, you can ask me in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, do hit the like button. Also don't forget to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get updates on our new video uploads. Also follow me on Instagram on techbuzz.insta page and techbuzz Facebook page. We will be back with another video soon. Till then, stay tuned.